Welcome to our final use case for the input and output section, building a simple grocery checkout system. We will use the input function to receive data, typecasting and arithmetic operators for calculation, and print, with F strings for clear output. 1. Define prices and get input. We start by setting fixed prices for 2 items. Then, we use the efficient map function to read 2 quantities from the user on a single line, converting them immediately to integers. Two, perform calculations. We calculate the subtotal using multiplication and addition. We also define a tax rate and apply it to find the final total cost using multiplication. 3. Handle payment and change. We ask the user how much money they are paying, ensuring we convert the input to a float, and then use subtraction to calculate the change. To summarize, this simple system demonstrates the synergy between reading user input, performing calculations with operators, and presenting clear results using F-string formatting. This is the foundation of almost every practical program. Congratulations! This concludes our chapter on input and output. We now begin Section 8, More Programs 1. Our next lecture 0801. Read and display student details.